Catholic Archbishop Designate of Shillong Diocese, Most Reverend Victor Lyngdoh, will be formally installed at the concelebrated Holy Mass to be held at the Cathedral of Mary Hope of Christians at Lyngdoh in Shillong at 10 a.m. on 6th of this month. The installation rites and ceremonies will be participated by 100 priests, including the bishops of Guwahati, Aizawl and Tura dioceses and selected invitees. Ecclesiastical sources said installation ceremony will be done in a sober manner amid strict adherence of health protocol issued by the government. The Holy Father Pope Francis has appointed Most Reverend Victor Lyngdoh, Bishop of Jowai, as Archbishop of Shillong, a hill station in the northeastern part of India and the capital of Meghalaya, on the 28th December 2020. The position fell vacant after the death of Archbishop Dominic Jala, who died in a car accident in California on October 11th last year. Earlier, he was appointed Bishop of Nongstoin, the headquarters of West Khasi Hills District in Meghalaya, 28 January 2006. Later, Pope Francis appointed Lyngdoh as Bishop of Jowai on 15 October 2016, and he was installed on 20th November 2016. Bishop Victor Lyngdoh was born on 14th January 1956 at Walang Village, East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya. He entered St. Paul's Seminary in Shillong, pursuing his studies at St. Gabriel's Higher Secondary School. He then studied philosophy at Christ King College in Shillong, subsequently spending his regency at St. Francis Xavier Church, Mawsynram. He then entered Sacred Heart Theological College in Maulai. He was ordained priest on 25th January 1987.
Kilong kami kisamla ngasngok kemen hadu kadata dekat begini media dengan dan dagajing kemen ke bakrau hoi ban wan ha kani ke yim gumba laong prajon kadang kajang jauh mat kepada kutan tang melawan segajing kemen rupat namarba habwan hab sedang segani ke kam hani dengan ai kublai kifada jungina jowai melawan senran kini kepor. Bat ngasung upat ikipai rungai juga nika archdiocese kamtam mai banabas lawan dulu saja itu citai ban nyerap yang citai doble un kerku kerdo ipi baro ngin saya trelang kumalong prajon uble un kerku kerdo ikipai rungai jongka jowai diocese kamtam ru ikan ika archdiocese kemi jungi hoi kubang prajon ngala sedang hani mencuala trelang ru ngala ya irau sen hostain sen jowai wan pai biang sini bun belong welcome back home ndrei to kat ka ba sain dur chong play ngala shim mi kan kalat ban kongu ka sain dur chong play upa ba khoj Pope Francis the sachi sen ngai khu play yang pi baro ke bala pedang burom yang ha ka ni ka step u play ka jing sup un kur khu ka do ya pi baro